Today I'm making garlic butter wings. These wings are tender on the inside and crispy on the outside with that great garlic taste. If you want to learn how to make these amazing wings yourself, stick around, I'll show you how. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making garlic butter wings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your wings. Now season the wings with the onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Now pour in the olive oil and mix until each piece has been evenly coated. Have you downloaded the Soul Food Cooking app? It has all of my recipes in the palm of your hand. For details on how to get it, please see the description below. Place your wings on a wire rack, then transfer it to the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees. Allow your wings to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove your wings from the oven and set them aside. Using medium heat, bring a small pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your garlic and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Add your parsley flakes and continue to cook for an additional minute. Place your wings in a bowl, then cover with your garlic butter sauce. Now toss your wings to coat with the sauce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.